alternatives to Brigit, similar advanced and credit apps in the US. When people replace Brigit, they usually chase the app that feels the most familiar. That sounds smart, but it often misses the real point. Brigit is not just an advanced app. It mixes cash access and credit building, and that combination is exactly why a lot of alternatives fall short once you look closer. So the best replacement is not the one that copies the interface or the marketing tone. It is the one that keeps that same two-sided value without adding too much friction, too many fees, or too many hoops before the useful features actually start working. And that is where the ranking changes what actually makes a Brigit alternative worth it. A fair comparison starts with Brigit's own formula. Its current materials say advances can range from $25 to $500, subscription pricing can range from $8.99 to $15.99, and its credit builder is designed to work without a hard credit pull, upfront deposit, or interest. This is general info, not financial or legal advice. That means a real alternative should do more than offer a quick advance. It should also give you some kind of credit building lane or broader financial upgrade, because otherwise it is only replacing half of what makes Brigit attractive in the first place. Option 3, Baro, simple credit building but smaller cash. Baro makes sense if you want a cleaner path to credit building without a traditional deposit-heavy setup. Its Believe card is marketed with no credit check to apply, no interest, no annual fees, and no security deposit, while Baro Advance starts at $20 to $250 and can build to $500 over time. The reason it lands at number 3 is the cash side. Baro's advances carry a flat fee based on amount, and the starting limits are more modest than the strongest alternatives here. So it feels solid if credit building matters more than advance size, but not as strong if you want Brigit style support with more breathing room. Option 2, Money Lion, bigger ceiling but heavier ecosystem. Money Lion gets much closer to Brigit on the advanced side. Instacash offers up to $500 with no interest, no credit check, and no mandatory fees, and that limit can rise to $1,000 if you become a Roar Money customer and set up qualifying recurring direct deposits. It also has a Credit Builder Plus product, but that membership is listed at $19.99 per month. That is why it stops at number 2. The upside is strong, especially if your main pain point with Brigit is limit size. But once credit building enters the comparison, Money Lion starts to feel more layered and more expensive than some people want. Option 1, Current, the best balance overall. Current takes the top spot because it feels like the most complete alternative. Its Paycheck Advance can go up to $750 for eligible users, and its build card is positioned around no annual fee, no interest, and no credit check to apply. That gives it the strongest mix of advanced strength and credit access without leaning on a big monthly subscription just to make the package fee useful. The honest trade-off is that Current works best inside its own system. You need a current account, and advanced eligibility depends on payroll deposits and other qualifying factors. Some other fees can still apply on the card side, but if you want the closest thing to a true Brigit replacement, this is the one that usually holds up best in real daily use. The alternative that actually feels like an upgrade. Baro works if you care most about easy credit building. Money Lion is stronger if you want a more aggressive advanced ceiling, but Current usually stands out because it gives you a more convincing middle ground where the advanced feature is stronger and the credit angle still feels built in, not tacked on later. That is the detail most people miss at the start. The best alternative to Brigit is not the app that looks most similar. It is the one that preserves the two things Brigit users actually care about, then improves one of them without making the whole setup heavier than it needs to be. If you enjoyed the video, hit like, and I'll leave a video on screen that may be of interest to you. You can click it to watch. See you next time.